Jose Rizal as a teacher in Dapitan. Rizal knew the value of good education since his boyhood. During his travel abroad, he observed the educational system of modern nations. In Dapitan, he established a school which was attended by a group of boys from prominent families of Dapitan. March 13, 1895, in his letter to Blumentritt, Rizal said that he had 16 pupils in his school. They worked in the garden, field, and constructions projects in the community. Formal classes were conducted between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. The teacher sat on the hammock while the students sat on the bench. Rizal taught his boys reading, writing languages such as Spanish and English, biography, history, mathematics such as arithmetic and geometry, nature, study, and gymnastics. Rizal's discoveries and inventions. In 1887, Rizal's first invention was known while in Calamba. He invented a cigarette lighter called sulpukan, made of wood, which is he sent to Blumentritt. So, Rizal said, its mechanism is based on the principle of compressed air. When he wrote to Blumentritt on November 30, 1895, he requested to him to find out other method that the Bohemian used so as not to waste much heat to have or to bake bricks. While in the Pitan, he invented machine for making bricks which can manufacture about 6,000 bricks daily. He also introduced a hemp stripping machine to improve the abaca industry.